What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Snkrmom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today I'm going to be reviewing a new Air Jordan 1 Low Shadow Toe. Let's get into it.
This is Phase Music.
First, you got the same normal Jordan 1 Low box. It's all black with the gold Jumpman on the top. You got your gold Jumpman on the side. Let's get to the front of the box and it reads Air Jordan 1 Low GS for grade school, and the colorway is light smoke gray, black and white. Let's get into the insides. Opening up the box, nothing spectacular. Got that normal stamp of approval up there. You got this nice cream tissue paper with the gold 23s going all over the tissue paper. But that's it. So let's get into the main ingredient of this video, and that is the Air Jordan 1 Low Shadow Toe. Alright, first of all I want to say, man, this was really a hard shoe to actually get. I mean, I know they came out back in March, and they restocked again. Now they just restocked again in the beginning of August. Wasn't able to get them on Nike. Luckily today I just happened to walk into my local Finish Line, and there they were sitting there just like, hey, come on and get me. So I went ahead and went and grabbed them today. Actually grabbed the last size that they had, so I was excited about that. But yeah, this right here is just a very clean colorway. Can never go wrong with your black, gray, and white colorway. Very good, just neutral colors. Very good, I would say, back to school shoe for all y'all parents out there getting your kids shoes for school or for yourself. This is a very good back to school shoe. I think they only retail for $85, which isn't bad because this is a GS size. They do come in men's sizes too. Also, I think those cost $100, but I don't really know how accessible the men's sizes are. But the GS sizes, I was able to get those in my local Finish Line, and yeah, let's go ahead and get into the aspects of the shoe. So as you can see, like I said, very neutral colors. You got your black, your grays, and your white. You got your gray, leather gray right here on the front of the toe right here. Black leather in the front of the toe also coming across to the side of the shoe. You got the steel black coming across the side, going all the way into this white leather on the side with the black Nike check and leather coming all the way across to the back of the heel, where you got the all smoke gray in the back of the shoe with the wings right here and that black stitching in the back. Still gonna come up, you still got that light smoke gray coming across the heel of the shoe, going across the ankles of the shoe. Also, we're gonna look on the inside of the shoe where you got the Jumpman right here in white on the inside of the shoe. That's pretty much it going on for the insides. As you can see, we're gonna come back to the front. You got those black shoelaces, no extra laces. You got that 23 right here embroidered in the lace pattern right here in the black. Then you got this nice Jumpman right here on the front of the tongue. It looks like it's a light gray Jumpman on the tongue. Come across to the bottom sides of the shoe on the bottom right here. We got this all white rubber. And you got that all gray rubber on the bottom of the shoe. Overall, like I said, very nice shoe. Very clean shoe. Reminds you of the Stage Haze because they have the same color, just colorway. They got your black, your whites, and your grays. You can't never go wrong with this colorway and trying to match. It pretty much goes with everything. Like I said, it's neutral. And yeah, it's a shadow toe low. I mean, it's not the OG lows, but hey, you can't go wrong with these. I mean, it's a low. It's not an OG, but I mean, you just got a little extra thick on. But to me, these right here, everybody is starting to like these more than they did back in the day. So this is becoming a very popular silhouette, and I know a lot of kids, they really like these. So these are it right here. Like I said, very nice colorway. I caught these for myself. Didn't get none with my kids. So, but yeah, like I said, just very clean colorway. You can pretty much wear it with everything. This was the right shoe. Let's get into the left shoe. Looks the same exact way. You got your gray leather right here on the front of the toe, on the top of the toe right here. Black leather coming across the front of the toe. Come across to the side where you got that white leather with that black leather Nike chip right here on the side. Coming to the back of the heel, you got that gray Air Jordan wings in the back with a black stitching in it. You're gonna come all the way up to the top of the heel. Still got that nice gray coming across the top of the heel of the shoe and the ankle of the shoe. Inside the shoe, as you can see, it's just all black right here. Then you got the Jumpman symbol in there, all white. Coming back to the front of the shoe, you got the black shoelaces with that gray Jumpman on the front of the tongue. And then you're going to come back to the side where you got this nice rubber bottom on the sides of the shoe. And then you got the bottom that's all gray rubber. Like I said, just overall nice shoe. Y'all let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about these. Did you try to go for the Jordan 1 lows? Do you even like Jordan 1 lows? Or do you rather have the OG Jordan 1 lows? Or will you actually rock these right here? Me, I rock both of them. No complaints. If I like the colorway, I'm going for it. So like I said, just a very nice, clean colorway. Can't go wrong with this colorway. Y'all let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about these. I know they've been out for a while, but then they restocked again in August. Wasn't able to cut that restock, but it was in my local finish line. So if y'all have finish lines, go check your local stores because they might be restocking them in your stores. You might be able to grab your pair and not have to worry about paying the resale price. Retail price was only $85, which is not bad. So that's pretty much it for I got for y'all today. This is a Jordan 1 low shadow toe, which was a very hard shoe to get. Every time they come out, they sell out like super fast. So like I said, overall, just very nice shoe, very clean shoe. Reminds you of the shadow toe 2.0 highs, but we know those are the OGs, so I ain't gonna compare because I know some of y'all like, get all uptight about it. But we all know the colorway, they all look pretty much the same. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. If you're new to watching my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can know when I post all my videos. Follow me on Instagram at Snkrmom1721. And I did want to say the size and wise, they do fit true to size. In my Jordan 1 lows and in my dunks, I pretty much wear the same size. So if I'm going for these in a kid size, I wear a kid size 6. But if I'm going for them in a men's size, pretty much the same still, men's size 6. Or women's size 7.5. So I would say just go true to size on these. Don't size up, true to size, and you should be good to go. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. So until the next time, it's your girl Snkrmom. Peace.